and today I will deliver you a lecture of Social Studies class 4. So let's start. We were studying citizenship. In our previous lectures we discussed citizenship in detail and our topic peace and conflict. We have discussed peace and conflict in detail and now we can easily differentiate between peace and conflict. So today our topic is very much related to the peace and the conflict. Dealing with a conflict. Today we will discuss that how we can deal with a conflict. Now when we use the word conflict, there are many questions that come in my mind. Now the first question is how we can deal with the conflict. Now have you ever faced a disagreement or conflict in your life with your friends and your family members? Yes, there are conflicts and we have to face that conflicts. Now another question is that how we can face these conflicts. So today we are going to discuss one by one that what we can do when we have a conflict. What are your feelings when you have a conflict with a person? The first thing is that there is aggression. There is a strong feeling, thoughts, sadness. These are the feelings of the conflict. Now the thing is how we can cope with this issue. For example, if there is a disagreement, then what you can do, I will tell you. First thing is just pause thinking, means stop thinking about that thing. This is the first thing that you can use to avoid any disagreement and conflict. And the second one is stop overthinking. Don't think about that person. And the third one is you can take advice from a good person in this way, because he or she will give you a good advice and that advice will help you a lot. And the third one is when you have a disagreement with someone, you should not shout loudly, because shouting just increases the conflict. So this is the main thing, and you should avoid of all these things and you should follow the rules in which you can reduce the conflict, not increase the conflict. Now we are going to study another topic, that how we can distract ourselves. For example, if you have a disagreement or conflict with a person, that how you can distract yourself. The first thing is stop doing that you are doing. So in this way you can distract yourself. You can start reading books, you can start painting also. You can take deep breath. This will help you a lot and you should relax your muscles. And the first and the main thing is that you should stop thinking about that person. And you should forgive all his faults. So this was your topic and I am going to repeat this out. So first of all we have discussed about citizenship in our previous lecture, and our today's lecture is about dealing with a conflict. We studied ways in which we can deal with a conflict, we studied ways in which we can face, we studied some ways in which we can face the conflicts. So the first one is that you should distract yourself, you should take advice from a good person, you should pause thinking, you should stop overthinking, and you should not shout loudly, because this will only increase the conflict. And you should stop your strong feelings by distracting yourself, by reading books, relaxing your muscles, and watching TV, reading newspapers. These are the things that can distract yourself from conflict. So this was your topic. Now your assignment is that you will write 10 things that will distract you from a conflict. So this is your assignment, that you will write 10 things that will distract you from a conflict. I hope that you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.